Hello, hello. Welcome to the group. My name is Noelle Russell. And first of all, I'm just really glad you're here. So the purpose of this group is to have a place where you can come for information about the 2B mindset, to see if this program is right for you and where you are in your journey right now. So I'm going to share some information. If you haven't been in a Facebook group like this, it's set up for social learning. So I can actually create units, kind of like chapters in a book or units of a study or whatever. I can set up different units for the information so it's not just random posts all over that you have to search through. So doing it that way, you can go to if you have questions on just the program itself, if you have questions on ordering options, whatever it is, I'm hoping that will help you find the information that relates to your questions. All right, so 2B Mindset, really quick in a nutshell, is different. I've tried a lot of different nutrition plans or guidelines for clean eating. I've become really passionate about clean eating, fueling my body well, looking at food as fuel, and then helping other people transform their health and feel better and happier and have more energy using good nutrition. So I've become really passionate about researching and testing things out. So I've tried a bunch of different programs before, a couple different eating styles, and each time I try to see what I can learn, and then I move on and try something else. What I thought was going to be my optimal health solution and way to eat ended up being one of the worst things I've tried. And it just really started this study over the past, or thought process over the past year or so, where I've come to the conclusion that there's not really a perfect plan that's one size fits all. Also, there are so many diets out there, which I just don't agree with, but if you go on a diet and you make changes for a diet and you get amazing results on that diet, but then you stop doing the things that got you there, you're not going to be able to maintain the results. So there's part of me that thinks, what's the point in doing a really strict diet and losing a bunch of weight and having amazing results if you know you can't maintain those really strict changes to your lifestyle? And that's where I've come to. It's one thing if you want to slim down for a wedding or a special event, or you kind of overdid it on vacation and you want to slim down and get back so your pants aren't tight anymore. That's one thing. But I really, truly want to help people make sustainable changes to their habits, to their lifestyle, so they can have sustainable results. And just in my personal journey, if you would have met me 5 years ago when I was kind of dealing with the postpartum weight loss after having 3 kids, doing something super strict, overhauling my whole lifestyle, planning out meals, doing all this would have been really overwhelming to me. I've made a lot of small changes over the years, and I've learned a lot. I've learned about healthy swaps. So the 2B mindset just really fits into a lot of what I was doing on my own with clients in like a nutrition 101 group. And this just is a formal program with really great information to help you make sustainable changes to your lifestyle and your habits so you can have sustainable results. So you can lose the weight and keep it off. That's what we all want, right? And I have found losing weight is hard, but also getting to your kind of ideal weight and your ideal body size and then maintaining that is really hard too. So the 2B mindset is great for making sustainable changes so you have sustainable results. It also really focuses on your mindset, because a positive mindset will lead to positive weight loss. A positive mindset will change your life. What you focus your mind on, it's such a powerful thing. What you focus your mind on is what you are going to achieve. So if you focus on going on a diet and feeling deprived all the time and thinking about everything you're giving up, then that's going to lead you down a negative path and you're going to hold on to all that weight. But instead, if you focus on the positive of what can you add to your diet, what can you add to your lifestyle that's going to enhance it? We're going to be adding water. Part of it is adding more vegetables, all these really great things that you want to maintain for life. So nothing in this program is like a quick fix or a diet thing. It's just really great, healthy parameters for how to plate your meals and study what works for you. A huge component of it is studying, tracking what you're doing and studying what works for you and your body. So it's really individualized, which I love. And then anytime I'm asking anyone to make changes or anytime you want to make lifestyle changes, the hardest part is having support and accountability. And that's where I come in as a coach. That's what I love to do. I love to give people plans, chat with them about their goals, figure out where they want to go, create a plan that's going to get them there, and then support and encourage them along the way so they achieve what they want to achieve. That's what I'm passionate about. That's what I love to do. And the 2B Mindset is just another great tool that is going to help people like you get to where you want to go. All right, so check out the group. I'll be posting some information in here. Like I said, I'll be organizing it into the units. So just go through it whenever you have time and shoot me a message. If you have any questions, or feel free to post any questions below any post in the group and I will respond. But I'm glad you're here. Thanks for your interest and let me know what I can do to help.